In the world of fabrication and metalworking tools, there is one tool that everybody would like to have, an English wheel. But most people don't have them because they're big, they're expensive, and they're for doing big panels like hoods and doors and that kind of thing, right? Well, not always. That's why WoodwardFab just came out with what they call the little Wheelie. Now, this is a tabletop version of the English wheel designed to do exactly what the big brother will do, but on a smaller scale. Now, I know some of you guys are looking at this going, come on, man, this is a toy. Now, this is a real tool. Check it out. It has a heavy-duty double-wall quarter-inch steel plate frame and feet, so it'll sit on a table or a toolbox, and it's got enough weight so it's not going to move around as you wheel. You have smooth up and down movement to adjust the lower wheel, and it comes with 7 anvils from dead flat to a tight radius in sizes that are small enough to get into tight places to shape metal up to 18 gauge, which makes this perfect for patch panels, trim, whatever else you can dream up. If you've always wanted to get into wheeling metal, now you can with the little Wheelie.